Hello, Jacob the Outspoken Engineer. Today, I'm going to give you the best DIY air conditioning hacks. If you can't afford an air conditioning unit, or you say the UK isn't even that hot, doesn't need it, but for them warmer days, you want a solution, I'm going to throw some hacks your way and hopefully it gets you through that summer. Hack number one, the trusty tabletop fan. This tabletop fan comes out of the loft in May and it goes back late September. It's been with us since the 70s, and this one had the extra fan speed free, which is very rare. It has got the added dust. It's positioned about 50 centimeters away from your face when you sleep, and it does blow air into your face, and it does make you feel cooler. This oscillating mode has got an added click, which will wake up your partner, but don't let that put you off. It will save you some money with an aircon unit. Hack number two. If this hack number one tabletop fan wasn't good enough for you, we've got a secret hack which elevates this to a whole new dimension. Point number two is to live off ice lollies. These are approximately 2 degrees at the moment, and since this is my 5th one, I'm feeling cooler. Hack number three. Once you've had your 5th rocket lolly, you proceed to the freezer to get the rest of the lollies and you strap it to hack number one. Hack number one. This room is currently, it's 30 degrees outside, and this office at the moment is currently sitting at 16 degrees. So if you're going to do this at home, folk, tell your girlfriend or your boyfriend in bed to wear a coat with the hood up, with a bucket and loads of blue roll, because you're only going to get approximately an hour's worth of cooling and you will get wet. That's it for the free hacks. If you've got any hacks to help us with, please get in touch. Hack number four, cheeky little bonus, mobile air conditioning unit. Few good points for it. Point number one, it produces a consistent cold air. If you buy the better model, which self-condenses, you're not going to have to empty out the chamber. Number two, it's pretty low cost. It's a lot cheaper than a conventional air conditioning system. Right, let's go through some of the small downsides. Well, number one, look at it. It's hideous. It's like having a Dalek in your room. You're going to break your back every year you get it out of the loft. I recommend you leave it in your front room. You dress it up as a person. You give it a name. That will get you around that. Number two, you need to leave your window half open. So in theory, you're letting the hot air come into the room. If you do have the window kits, that will cure that. But bear in mind, the only way around not having the window open is drilling a 120mm through hole, 125mm hole through your wall. Secondly, the noise of this thing, if you've ever slept with a Eurofighter Typhoon jet fighter, well, buy one of these and you will know what it's like to sleep with one of these in your room. If you've got earplugs or you're a solid sleeper, this is the product for you. I hope these 4 hacks have gone down really well with you. Like and subscribe, and if you need any more help in regard to DIY hacks, we're here for you.